Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and also follow me around. All social media links are below in the description box. So like literally it's June now, so I'm going to do my May favorites. So these are few of the stuffs I have been loving a lot in May. So yeah, so I thought why not I just share it with you guys because it's my favorite time. So yeah, let's begin. Okay, so it's winter, it's so cold, and like I'm wearing just my normal clothes, everyday clothes. Like I don't want to wear anything fancy. I just came back from dropping kids to school, and I thought why not I film my favorites. So yeah, literally it's been a hard week for me just because my car is gone. Like 1st of June I have given my car to the repairing company, and they will repair my car, and they will keep it for 2 weeks, and it will take 2 weeks to repair. If you guys are following me, you guys must know that that girl who hit my car with her car, yeah, their insurance, like her insurance company, took my car to repair because it was her fault. So yeah, I wasn't driving, my husband was driving. So yeah, I was sitting there, and it was on my side, and like lucky me and my son was sitting straight back, and I was sitting in front. So yeah, like lucky my husband like just moved the car the other way around. So I think I showed you guys in my blog the damage and everything. So if you guys are not following me, then you guys must see my blogs to know all about it. So yeah, I'm not filming those kinds of blogs now because literally I have changed things around here on my channel. So yeah, my car is gone to the repairing company. They will repair, and it will take 2 weeks, I think. So yeah, literally I'm driving my husband's car, and yeah, I don't like that much, and I love my SUV. It is literally amazing when you drive in motorway. Like literally it does most of the job by itself. That's why I love it so much. First favorite is like literally these are the things I love. You don't have to buy this. I just want to share with you all that the things I use and I like because it works for me. So yeah, first thing is a mascara. Let's begin with the mascara. So like it's nothing big, but like it's just a mascara. So it's Revlon volumizing mascara. So this is in the shade black. If you guys are following me, I have showed this in my haul already. So this mascara is literally amazing. Like I am wearing at the moment, like I'm not wearing any lashes, but I literally love the mascara. Like it's literally so good, and like the applicator is really good, and it wasn't that expensive when I bought, so it was reduced I think that time when I bought. But like it's literally very dark, so it's darkest black, and like it's really good by Revlon. So if you want to buy mascara, then you should definitely try Revlon. Like I haven't tried this before, that's why I bought, but after trying I literally love it. Okay, the next is this mask. So this is Peter Thomas Roth black mask. So this is purifying black mask. So this is literally amazing. Like I think it's amazing in a way that it instantly gives a natural glow to the skin, and like you don't have to peel it off. So when it dries, you just rub and like it all comes off so easily. Oh my gosh. And like it leaves the skin looking so smooth and flawless. So this is it. And I've got no idea where you can buy this product from. Literally, I've got no idea. So if you guys are following me, you guys must know that I did a haul, like not a haul, like I think unboxing video, Bellabox unboxing. In that box I got this mask. So I'm going to leave the video here so you can go and check, and you can just like know more about this mask. So this is literally a good black mask which doesn't give any pain while peeling it off. Like you don't have to peel it off, you just have to rub and it comes off. That's how I did it. When it dries, it just comes off so easily. Just rub it off and the skin feels so smooth. I have tried few times already, and literally I've got some product left in here, and I'm going to buy this mask. Like it's just a sample size I got in my Bellabox. So literally I love it so much. So I think Bellabox is an amazing subscription box where you get lots of products to try, then you can actually buy. So that's literally so good. And if you are living in Australia and New Zealand, you should definitely subscribe to Bellabox. Each month you will get some amazing products to try and then buy. And like literally it's just under $20, I think $19.95 per month. Okay, moving on, the third favorite is this lipstick. So this is by OFRA Cosmetic. This one is in shade Manhattan. I don't know how to say this, and like I think I will write it here. So this is by OFRA Cosmetic, and this is literally the one I'm wearing at the moment, and literally it's so beautiful. I love it, and like it's just my go-to nowadays. Like it's fall season, and I think I don't wear that dark in the daytime when I go out. Like it feels so annoying to wear dark lipsticks when I go out. Like everyone just starts to look at me like here, not even a single person I see wears a dark lipstick when I go out. So like actually sometimes at night I see them wear, so I actually wear darks at night, but like in the daytime I literally don't like wearing a dark lipstick. So this one is a little bit dark, so I'm loving this one, and I literally wear this one, and I sometimes put a gloss on top. So yeah, that's how it is. And like literally it's so good, and like OFRA lipsticks are literally amazing. So like I think I should swatch it here so you can see. Yeah, it's beautiful. Like as you apply, it gets dark when you like apply 2-3 coats, but like I think I have applied 2 coats, and like when it dries it gets a little bit darker, as you can see. And like when it dries it gets dark, and literally these lipsticks are so easy to rub it off. Like you can see it is getting darker. So yeah, it will take a little while to get dark. It's really good. I am saying that it's really good. So yeah, the next favorite lipstick is also by OFRA, and this is Mocha. I think Mocha. This is how you say, and like it's one of my favorite shades. Like literally, this is my go-to mauve kind of shade. This is really good. I am definitely recommending Ofra Cosmetics lipstick, and like literally these two lipsticks, like I literally love it. Like they are so good, and they are from Tarte. So first thing is this one is in shade, I've got no idea, this is Tarte's lip paint, and I can't even see. Okay, it's here, it's in the shade Rose. So this is literally a good color for summer and also springtime, I think. But like it's literally good for fall season too, because like it's a nude, it's that mauve nude, I will say. And literally it's so pretty, and like it's just a small tube I have with me at the moment, but like literally it's so good, by Tarte. And the next lipstick is also by Tarte, it's their lip paint, and this one is in shade FOHO. Okay, I will leave the name here. So this looks like this. This is a little bit darker than the first one. Yeah, it's a bit dark. As you can see, it's that dark mauve pink, I will say. It has that pink undertone. This one has brown, like nude undertone. And as you can see, they all are a bit different. And like literally, I love these lipsticks. Like they are like these kinds of colors are my favorite colors, and like I wear them nearly every day. So the next product is this one. I think I have showed you guys in my other videos already. So this bronzer I'm wearing at the moment, like literally this bronzer is so good. This is by MCOBEAUTY, and like I got this in my Bellabox too, and this is MCOBEAUTY's matte bronzer, and like literally this is so good. Oh my god, I am in love with this bronzer. It gives that very subtle natural bronze look. As you can see it here, I just applied it just this area, I think, a little bit on the sides of the nose and also a bit here. So yeah, this bronzer is absolutely stunning. So the last product is this foundation, Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is in the shade 300. This is my absolute favorite foundation, and it's my go-to foundation. It gives that flawless coverage, and like literally it's amazing, and I have said so many times this. And this is like this, and this is in the shade 300. So literally it's so good. It comes with a pump, and like I actually got a spare one, so like this is almost finished, I think, but like can't tell. So like I use this every day. This is the one foundation I love so much. So doesn't matter how much I buy, like I've got so much foundation, but like I use this one. I literally love it. Like I'm wearing at the moment. It gives such a good flawless coverage. So if you want a good foundation, you should definitely buy Fenty Beauty foundation. This is literally amazing, and like you will not regret it later. So it's literally good, and it's worth the money. Like it's only $50, I think, Australian, 50 or $52, I think, you can get from Sephora. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like I did a bit of setup. As you can see, it's a bit changed around my background. Like literally this part is changed too. So like literally I bought a new table inside this room, and like it's literally big, and I have set my ring light just here. I am using a ring light at the moment, and like my 2 beauty lights, like I've got 4 lights here. So if you guys want to see, like I'm posting few of the like videos on TikTok, so you can watch there too. So the links are below in the description box. So I will post lots of videos on TikTok too. So like my collection and everything, like I did post a bit, like I'm not showing everything, but like I can't show everything at once, but like in some day I will do my beauty room tour, but like it's not completed. I'm still doing it. And also like I've got a computer chair which I don't like it, so I have to retain it, and like I will get a new one. So like literally it is not that good because it's a bit low. It doesn't, like it's okay, but like it doesn't go low. So like it stays like that, and it goes high up but doesn't go low. So like I don't like my neck pains because my computer desk it is a bit low, and like I don't want to put my computer up, but like I want to just get rid of that chair. So I will buy a new one. I saw one in Kmart, it's just $40, and I think I might get it, but like I will go sit and check if it's good, because I want a good chair for this room, because I will just have one chair. I have used a chair which was big tall, as you guys saw, but like literally when I bought this table in front of me, like it's literally big and the chair is big, so like the space is not enough. Okay, so yeah, literally I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe, and also stay safe, and yeah, I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.